Happy Friday, everyone. Well, after seeing temperatures yesterday in the mid to upper 50s at or near record highs, it's a reality check today. A cold front is finishing up working over us, and it's going to be significantly colder. Though actually not terribly cold, basically just cooling back down to reasonable levels for this time of year. And because the cold front is going to clear the eastern part of the area last, temperatures this afternoon are going to be a little bit warmer to the east and cooler to the west. Notice that some in the northern part of the area, Baraboo, Portage, Beaver Dam, only topping out in the upper 20s this afternoon. Meanwhile, most of us are probably going to be in the low mid 30s, but got to mention right next to the lake, Milwaukee, Racine, Kenosha, probably still reaching the upper 30s this afternoon. But everybody definitely cooler than yesterday. And I do have to mention, it is going to be breezy today, especially through the early afternoon. We're looking at gusts around 20 miles per hour, so you can probably take about 5 degrees off these temperatures, and that's what it's actually going to be feeling like. No rain or snow today. We're going to see decreasing cloud cover, so a pretty cloudy start, but eventually skies will become partly cloudy this afternoon, so most of the day, mostly cloudy skies. And then tonight, it looks like those winds are going to die down for us. It's just going to be a partly cloudy night, and once the sun sets, really that wind going away. And then for the rest of the night, no more than about 10 miles per hour, so not much of a wind chill factor to worry about. And actually, these temperatures are above normal for this time of year. We should be averaging low temperatures in the mid-teens. End of December, instead, the coldest temperatures we're going to see are the upper teens, and most of us are going to be in the low 20s, and close to the lake, it looks like low temperatures only in the mid-20s. So tonight dry and tomorrow morning dry, but I do have to mention as early as about noon tomorrow, the chance for some stray rain and snow showers coming back for the western part of the area. I still think most of us are going to be dry, but let's go through the day for New Year's Eve because I do think things are going to be filling in. Here we are at 3 o'clock, and by this point, the chance for rain or snow coming back for the central part of the area, including Madison, probably still dry in the eastern part of the area. Milwaukee, Racine, Kenosha, and it's about 3 o'clock. We'll be hitting our high temperatures. And though it's going to be pretty much a repeat, it looks like, in the eastern part of the area as far as temperatures go, the rest of us are looking at a warming trend because this is a warm front working over us. Very little wind during the day tomorrow, unlike today where it's going to be breezy tomorrow. Winds during the day no more than about 5 miles per hour. It looks like the peak of this rain-snow mix is going to be about 6 o'clock or so tomorrow afternoon. Definitely looks like a period where there's going to be a scattered rain-snow mix. Notice how there's an opportunity now in the eastern part of the area. And as far as the rain-snow mix goes, it's certainly a possibility it could be rain or snow anywhere, but I'll give the best chance of seeing actual snow coming down farther to the north and west. The farther south and east you live, the more likely it is that it's going to be rain, but certainly the possibility is still there for snow. All right, so fortunately, the peak does look like 6 o'clock Saturday afternoon because now we're getting to that time of the day where lots of folks are going to be wanting to venture out for New Year's Eve festivities. So here we are at 9 o'clock now, and look how we are past the peak by the time we get to 9 o'clock. Now, I still think there's going to be some activity around. I do think we're still talking about isolated rain and snow showers, and that includes midnight. So the time when all the fireworks are going off, I can't guarantee that if you're going to be outside, it's going to be dry. But I will say it's more likely to be dry than rain or snow coming down. Because again, it looks like the peak's going to be 6 o'clock, so midnight, still dealing with isolated rain and snow showers, but definitely gaps around. But if you want to make sure that you stay dry, yeah, I'd say it's worth bringing the umbrella just in case you're going to be staying out watching fireworks in case one of those rain or snow showers is still around. Temperatures at midnight. So tomorrow night we're looking at temperatures good for this time of year because of this warm front. Look how we're still going to be mainly in the mid-30s, some low 30s, but certainly warmer than usual. And there'll be a little bit more wind than during the day, but not much of a wind chill factor to worry about because winds will only be around at 10 miles per hour. And I do think that the last of the activity is going to wrap up probably around 2 a.m. or so, and we will be dry by 3 a.m. So it does look like a small chance around midnight, so I've got to mention it, but I do think by 3 a.m. Tomorrow night we will be dry. So this brings us to New Year's Day, which is not looking pretty. It's looking like it's going to be a cloudy day, but we will be done with the rain or snow, and thanks to the warm front, look at the high temperatures. look how a lot of us are going to reach the 40s. Some maybe in the northern part of the area, a place like Beaver Dam might just top out in the upper 30s, but I do think low 40s are going to be common, and look at the mid 40s showing up, particularly in the southeastern part of the area. Not going to be much wind, just 10 miles per hour, so a pretty solid New Year's Day, even though it's not going to be the prettiest day.